Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So today we are going to make a super cool little fun project, really cute. So we are just going to use a paper cup. You can buy these anywhere. I get them at TJ Maxx when I'm there because they have like different ones for the seasons, all kinds of really cute ones and stuff. I'm using this grateful one. I think it's great for the season right now. So but any kind of paper cup, and then some twine, and you can use the Dollar Tree twine rope if you want to. You just want to, it's thick, but if you unravel it, you can get 3 pieces this size, okay? But 1 piece is plenty enough to do this project. Some scissors and hot glue, and that's it to make this really cute little basket. So this is a little basket that you can use for, I like to use this if I'm giving a small little plant or a flower, especially for springtime. Put it in, put some, wrap over it. This is cute. You can do, whatever color of cup underneath. I like to wrap it a little bit looser so that you could see the cup underneath. You could certainly do it tighter and make it so that you can't really see it. But, you could put some cellophane in here with like some cookies or candy you made and then wrap the whole thing up. All kinds of different things that you could do with this. You can, make it like a little Easter basket and put some grass and stuff to give people a present. But it's just a really cute, super inexpensive way to spruce up your gift giving and, do something really cute. So anyways, I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope it's helpful, and I hope you have a blessed day. All right, and we'll make the basket. Hey friends, welcome. Oh, it is that time of year. My allergies are kicking. Whew. So this is going to be a super easy project. I've got this burlap twine and a coffee cup. I also have some hot glue heating up, but I'll have to get up to use it because it's up near my turner. So I am just going to cut some slips in my cup. And this is a cute little paper coffee cup. I get these at TJ Maxx. I like to keep them for when, I have like different things going on. Of course, I haven't lately, but if you're having like a little evening dinner and you want to be able to send people home with coffee, or, like Christmas morning, different things like that, or, people just come over and you want to be able to let them take coffee home. I like to keep these little coffee cups available. And I'll have to just cut up just a little bit more. Make sure I'm right up to the edge. That one's good. We're just gonna lay it out like this. There we go. Now, I'm just gonna go put some hot glue on. All right, I found a place to plug my hot glue in, so that's good. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of hot glue right here. And do my twine here.
That a little tighter.
So when we're wrapping this, what we're doing is we're going over, under. So we're going around the front of one piece, the back of next, the front of the next, the back of the next, and we're just continuously doing that. And now at this point we don't have to use any more glue either, and we're just going to keep wrapping around each piece, front, back, front, back, front, back, and keep going. Now, of course, so I have some Peter Rabbit paper cups that I could have done this with instead, but I just thought that the Grateful and was just, much more appropriate. All right, so, if you want, you can, put more glue up the bottom. But there you go. So this is really cute. You can look inside and see there too. Sorry, I'm getting this hot glue on me. Now, shorter cups, taller cups, whichever you want. But this is our finished product, and this is really cute. So what I use this for, if I want to give, with it being spring, if I want to give somebody like a flower to plant in their yard or something like that, something like this is great, and you can put it in and then just wrap some paper over it, and it's a nice, inexpensive way to give somebody, like a little flower instead of just in, like that little plastic square tub it comes in. And now I didn't pull this super taunt, and you can of course pull it more taunt, but I wanted the words to show through, like the grateful, thankful, like that. You can use, you know, whatever color you want. This is also like, you could put some Easter grass in here. You could put like some shredded paper, some foil paper, and you can put, you know, like different little candy. I mean, this is cute for lots of different times. You can use it at Christmas. You can use it, you know, at Valentine's Day. Really cute way just to, you know, spruce up something you're giving. Very inexpensive. Now, if you were using the Dollar Tree rope, you would want to unravel it so that it's in 3 pieces. And I have done an entire cup with you know, a pack of Dollar Tree rope and had some left over. You just have to unwind each piece, and then know you're going to have 3 different pieces, so you will be having to glue at some point. But yeah, so super cute, fun way to, you know, give a plant or some candy or, you know, some sort of little treat. All right, listen, I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.